I have a cup of raw cashews that I soaked in this bowl in the refrigerator overnight. You don't need to do a whole overnight thing. You can do up to 4 hours and they'll be okay. Or you could just pour boiling water on them and they'd be ready within 20-30 minutes, okay? I always include the recipe that I'm giving you underneath the video, but there's also a link to my website where you can go print this recipe. When you go to that page, you're gonna find different options for different nuts and seeds to make different kinds of vegan cheese if you're interested. I am going to drain this and put it in my blender. So now I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice to this. 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This is organic with the mother. 1 teaspoon Dijon, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. The turmeric is to give your cheese some color. I'm gonna blend this until it's creamy. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast for this. That's gonna give it a nice cheesy flavor, and it's also very high in vitamins B, and it's very good for your health. But if you're making vegan cheese, you're gonna need nutritional yeast, okay? I'm also going to add a tablespoon of olive oil and a 1/4 cup of filtered water. Taste it to see if you want it a little more tart or if you want more salt. Oh, that's beautiful. As you can see, I'm transferring it to a container, and what I'm going to do is put it in the fridge for a couple hours and let it thicken, and then we will try it. Okay? I transferred our cheese into a little bowl, put some on a toast. I'm going to sprinkle it with paprika for color. This is a very nice soft cheese that you can eat like I am, on bread, on toast. You can also use it over, baked potato, baked sweet potato, anything like that. Wow, that is very good. It's soft, it's creamy, it's a little bit tangy. Very, very nice. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you soon.